Another thing why Amazon ads are so crucial is it improves the ranking of your book organically. And it's probably the second most powerful way of getting your book to rank is by running profitable ads with your book. The first way is just outside traffic, right? Like TikToks, people coming over to Amazon from off platform buying your book. That's the best way of ranking your book. Nothing will ever trump that. But probably the second best way is running ads. Amazon wants to make money, plain and simple. So if you're running ads and people are buying your book, they are going to start pushing your book organically in order for more people to find your book, because you're essentially doing the testing for them by paying money on advertising and say, hey, I'm gonna advertise my book. I'm making sales now. So Amazon's gonna start increasing your ranking of certain keywords so more people can buy the book and Amazon can make more money, because they're in the business to what? To make a lot of money. This helps them. There's also advanced strategies that you can use with ads that we're not talking about in this video, that you can actually pay to increase your rank for certain keywords through running certain types of campaigns. But we're not talking about that. That's like super advanced stuff. Not today.